What do you know about alpharism, or call it dominance in the layman's language? Let me share with you how we socialize the most cocky dogs we have at the farm. Like humans, dogs also fight for power and they all want to be leader. But what do you need to look out for? There are signs that show that dogs are about to fight. The first one is the marking. If you look at the German Shepherd, it's going to mark this dog wherever it goes. More like locking the target. Then secondly, the pause. When they meet, there will be a pause. That is the pause right there, you see. So in this stage, you need to study the tails so much because they speak a lot about how the dog is feeling and is about to react. So in dominance, the most assertive dog will try to put its paw on top of the other just to be taller or have higher ground while fighting, and usually this might spark a fight between the two. So our job is to be present and correct them. However much we may not take it out completely, we try our level best. You find that most times this is a natural instinct. You see that? The German Shepherd is trying to be assertive to the Boer Bell. So the first thing we're looking for is the dogs to smell each other's behinds and get the clear scent of each other. Dominance does not necessarily mean that it's the strongest dog or the most aggressive dog. It simply means he might actually be the leader, one that brings the others to order. When you have two dogs that seem to be alphas, you'll have endless fights. So as a breeder, you have to try your best for your dogs not to be alphas at your farm. You have to be the alpha at your farm. All the dogs should know that in your presence, they do not have to fight. So as you saw in a few, the Shepherd again tried to put its leg on top of the Boer Bell. The Boer Bell is better socialized than the German Shepherd in this case. If you look at its hairs at the back, they're pointed, meaning that it's ready to fight anytime, but it's just keeping cool. It's just waiting for the other to make the first move. And right there, we're seeing the Boer Bell is trying to explore the behind quarters of the German Shepherd. All we need is that sniff for the dogs to get to know each other and to know that this is part of my pack. This might take the longest time possible, but you do not have to get tired of doing it. You have to socialize all your male dogs so that they can be able to share plates and share territory and know that they're part of the same team while guarding your property. So make sure you are the alpha at your farm.